Welcome to our PCB Depopulation Machine demonstration. Today we'll take you through the step-by-step process of operating the machine, which is designed for efficient and safe e-waste recycling. Step 1. Loading the materials. To begin, open the insulation cover on top of the machine. Next, open the mesh wall inside. Carefully load the waste circuit boards into the drum. You need to fill the drum until it's approximately level with the edge of the feeding port, which should be about halfway full. Once the boards are in place, close the mesh wall and then the insulation cover. Now, the machine is ready for operation. Step 2. Starting the machine. First, turn on the fan to begin air circulation. Then, turn on the water spray tower and activate both water pumps. Next, switch on the main power for the depopulation machine. Now, move to the burner section. Open the pressure switch on the burner. Once that's done, start the drum rotation, ensuring the boards inside are evenly heated. Adjust the drum speed to 30 RPM. Now, adjust the temperature to 170 degrees Celsius by turning the temperature control. Wait for the furnace to heat up. When the temperature reaches around 170 degrees Celsius, indicated by the red needle, you can increase the drum speed to between 60 to 70 RPM. This will enable the machine to start disassembling the components from the circuit boards. Once the components are fully detached, open the vibrating screen at the bottom. This will allow the disassembled motherboard to quickly exit the machine. Step 3. Shutting down the machine. To shut the machine down, first turn off the drum to stop its rotation. Next, reduce the burner temperature to 0 degrees Celsius and shut off the flame. Then, turn off the vibration and the pressurization systems. Finally, turn off the fan and the machine is fully shut down. This machine is ideal for safely and efficiently depopulating waste circuit boards, making it an essential part of your e-waste recycling process. If you're interested in learning more or getting started with PCB recycling, feel free to contact us for more information about our equipment and services.